Want to send images on Discord without losing quality? If your photos look blurry after sending them, there's an easy fix. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send high-quality images on Discord. First, open the Discord app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the gear icon at the top right to access settings. Scroll down and look for the chat section, then tap on it. Now scroll down until you see Data Saving Mode. If this option is enabled, images and videos will be compressed to lower quality. Simply turn it off to send media in higher quality. Additionally, under Video Upload, make sure it's set to Best Quality instead of Standard or Data Saver. This ensures your videos are sent in the highest resolution possible. For the best results, also ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection before sending your media. Now you can send high-quality images on Discord without any issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.